Do you ever wonder what actually lives inside Salesforce? All the data like customers, leads, opportunities, where does it go? Well, it all starts with object fields and records, the true building blocks of Salesforce. In this video, we are going to break them down super simply with real examples so that even if you are brand new, you'll get it 100%. Hey everyone, welcome to episode 7 of Learning Salesforce from Scratch. In this series, we are going to learn Salesforce completely from scratch, step by step in the simplest and the most practical way possible. Before we proceed, hit that subscribe button to start your Salesforce journey. Let's start with objects. Think of an object as a container, like a box that stores related information. For example, a customer box stores customer information, a lead box stores leads. A case box stores support cases. In Salesforce, there are two main types of objects. Standard objects. These come built in like accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads. Whereas custom objects, you or your admin can create these like project, invoice or feedback. So whenever you think of an object, just imagine a labeled box that organizes a specific type of data. Now let's check out where can we find objects in Salesforce. So now navigate to setup and click on object manager and you can find list of all objects like opportunity, account, activity, assets, etc. So we have got the box, but what's inside the box? That's where fields come in. Each field represents a piece of information inside that object. For example, if your object is customer, then your fields could be name, email, phone number, address and industry. Think of fields as columns in a spreadsheet. Each one stores a specific type of information like text, number, date or even a formula. Now let's see how are fields in Salesforce. Open an object like account and navigate to fields and relationships. You can find all the fields in account object and then you can open any field like account name and find the field label, data type, field name and other attributes. Now let's talk about records. If objects are boxes and fields are the labels inside them, then records are the actual entries of data. For example, if you have a customer object, then each customer like John Smith, Priya Patel is a record. Now in account list view, each row in data table is a record. So now let's connect the dots. Objects are categories of data, whereas fields are the attributes or details and records are the actual data entries. Together, they form the data model in Salesforce. It's what makes your CRM powerful, structured, organized and scalable. Now let's see this in action. Here I am opening the accounts object. You can see each row is a record, one per customer. When I open a record, I can see its fields, right? Account name, account owner, phone, type, address and more. Now you know what Salesforce objects, fields and records really are. In the next video, we'll understand about standard and custom objects in Salesforce. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.